In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Garfield Kart Furious Racing on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we need to search up this game quickly at Steam, but don't worry, we are not going to buy it over there, we are going to download it on a other website. So please follow these tips and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Now quickly go to the Steam website and search up the game Garfield Kart Furious Racing. Once you have found it, select it, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game is €14.99 on Steam. But if you go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, then you will be redirected to this page. Now we are going to use the workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. You can search for the same game Garfield Kart Furious Racing and then select it. Once you are there, we can sort by price lowest first, and as you can see, if we scroll a little bit down, then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. This is very important, otherwise it won't work, and then select the game. Now if you select the game, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €3.19 compared to the Steam price of €14.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So if you purchase this game, you will receive a Steam activation key, so you can activate this game within your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!